feel it? You dig it? We're back at it. Let's go. So, these color schemes on my t-shirt might kind of give you an idea, maybe. But it's a Jordan 4 Cavs City edition, baby. So let's get to it, because we want to do it. Boom, boom.
Sellers has Jordan. Jordan with 2 seconds to go. Puts it up and scores.
Boom. Cav 4s. Got these back in 2013. And I haven't worn them yet. But I'm going to wear them very, very soon. Because I'm like, man, I'm getting tired. I got all these shoes and I'm not wearing them. It's stupid. I'm about to wear my shoes, man. Like, so you got the black suede here. Got the blue midsole, orange outsole. You got the orange AirPods on the inside. Orange eye laces right here. Orange Jumpman on the tongue. And you got the orange Jumpman on the insole. And as you can see, it had the hang tag. The hang tag has oxidized as hell. And yeah. So these are the Cav 4s, man. I like it. I'm gonna start wearing my stuff. I'm gonna start wearing my stuff. Cause I'm just got shoes in there for no reason. So my bad, I said 2013. These came out, I got these May 19th, 2012. So May 19th, 2012 is when I got these. Matter of fact, at the time I got these off of a dude on Craigslist because I really wanted them, and I wasn't able to. The shoe game was so different. Like, you can hit up people and they'd actually come through, no fakes, nothing, have the receipts. And it was a different time. Nobody was trying to get over on nobody. And I just liked it. I've met several people. Those Penny 5 cloaks that I've done, I got those off a guy on eBay. Cool situation, got the receipt. I got some Jordan 11 navy gun bottom lows. Got those from somebody I met off Craigslist. I mean, and if they can get them, cool, they can get them. If they couldn't, they'd let you know. But nobody was out here trying to take your money. And I guess I've just been blessed to be surrounded around good people. So can't remember the dude's name, but I got these from him in Houston and had them ever since. I just like the colors, they pop. I like colors that pop. It was, you know, obviously different from the Black Cats. And yeah, so if you haven't, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. You know, I'm gonna bring more shoes and just more of me. And don't forget Beanie and Jay Vlogs. We coming too, you know, so we got a lot of stuff coming for the channel in 2020. So stick with us and you're gonna see the fruition, you know. So let's get to it on feet.